Hi, this is Mansa. Currently, I am pursuing my M.Pharm Pharmaceutics from BITS Pilani, Hyderabad campus. Pharmacy is the best profession more than the doctors, because we are the one who will formulate the drug for a particular disease. We will decide the dose. The doctor's work is just a prescription, like whatever we say they'll follow that and they'll suggest to the patient. So pharmacy is just more than MBBS or any other profession. So in B.Pharm third year and fourth year, I took coaching for GPAT entrance examination for my future studies. During coaching, all the faculty of Masters Academy, they are not like a teacher to student relationship. It is like one-to-one relationship. They used to understand each and everyone's mindset, and they used to think a lot for us, and they used to decide how best we can guide to the students. Like single point-to-point contact used to be there. I don't think this would be possible in any other institutions. Like there only it will be faculty coming, explaining the subject and just leaving. Here it is not. Here it is completely a different scenario. It is not like student, we are coming here, taking course and leaving. It's like friendly relationship more than a faculty and a student relationship. We used to come to class, we used to sit, we used to listen to the lectures, and we used to go to the faculty personally. We used to discuss how best we can give in our examination, or how best we can decide our future. So they used to explain coolly, calmly, and even whenever we have doubts or whenever we have any problems, like whenever we are in depression, we used to call them anytime. All the faculty will be ready to receive our calls, and they used to feel more enthusiastic, and they used to say what is your problem, how best we can solve this problem, and they used to encourage in every aspect. And here we also we are provided with a library facility also, where we can use all the books whenever we want. We used to come here, sit here, read hours together, discuss whenever there is some problem, and discuss about what are the future perspectives of pharmacy, how we can go explore the society. Like personal development also we learn from Masters Academy, and all my dreams are fulfilled just because of Masters Academy. I'm proud and lucky to be a Masters Academy student.